People, I'm Jess and this is a Jess Budgets. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing our savings challenge for February. We're in March, but I am going to see how much we saved for the month and see how many challenges we can do. Last savings challenge, we kind of had a buffer because we had money from our 5 challenge that we used towards this, but this time around we're exclusively only using the money that we saved. Well, with the exception of one. I decided to move my luxury fund that I had in my long-term savings over, and I am going to use this money strictly for the luxury fund since this is what I was saving it for. It does have that little boost. This is $25 that will be used towards the luxury one. But for the rest, let's see how much we have. So I'm going to move this to the side. Facing the same way, but we're good. There we are. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 67, 60, 66, 67. Jeez. So again, I think I'm going to continue the whole die rolling for it. I did enjoy that. So beautiful jasmine here. We're gonna flip over and we are gonna start off with our, I think I'm gonna take them out. I think it's a little easier if I take them out. And we're ready. I am going to use, this one goes up to 10. So I'm gonna use this die. If any number is over 10, we'll just make it a 10. And I think that, how much money do I have? I think we might roll twice today. So, of course, off camera. Let me do that again. And that is a 9. So 9, I can roll down, or I think I'll roll down to 8 since we have numbers higher than 10. That'll automatically be 10. So I'm gonna roll down to 8, and we're gonna do the clock. So I need $8. I don't have $8. Right, so I don't have change. I don't have change. So it's supposed to be 8. So I guess we're gonna roll up and we're gonna do 10. This is what happens. So we're gonna do 10 then and do the bottle. Let's do yellow. So we color that one in, we did 10, and we're gonna roll one more time. And yay, we got a 2, that one's easy. I think I have $2, yes, I do. So I got a 2, so I am going to color in one of these, and we're gonna pick, I don't know, this pink. Woo, awesome. So we did that. We have our $12 and we still don't have the proper system for here. Currently just kind of have the money here. I'm going to move it over to this little, at least, pouch. We're going to skip doing the weather one because if I do the weather one, we will not have money. We won't have money for any other. So I'm going to do an IOU for the weather. We are going to go ahead and do our Coco Cash. So I do have $25 that I'm going to put into this. I'm debating not rolling and just doing one for 25 and then rolling once, which is what I think I'm going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and do the shoes that are 25. That's that, 25, so Coco Cash, here we are. We should have 45, 20, 30, 40, 45, perfect, and we're adding in the 25, and then to make it fair, I'm going to roll one time for it, and the Coco Chanel goes up to 30, so we'll use it to 20 and see. Ooh, off camera. I got 7, so the closest thing to 7 is 10, so we are going to go ahead and do $10. I'm going to do 10, and 10 is the perfume, so I am going to color that, I guess, orange. So I should now have 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. $80 in our Coco Chanel. So, I mean, this is going in here, so I don't need. So, now we have $80 in our Coco Chanel. We are moving on to our Shop Till You Drop Black Friday. Almost forgot that I purchased this at Dollar Tree. Oh, okay. Why? Oh, here we go. Okay. So I have this, and it's a dry erase, so we can fill it in ourselves. So I do have a little dry erase pen here, and I'm going to put in the amounts that are on here. So we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and then we have a blank one. So I'm just gonna put roll again. Yeah, how about that? Let's let it dry a little bit. And let's go. How do you roll? This is like huge. I'm not gonna look, and I'm just gonna throw it. So I got 25. So I have 20 and a 5. So 25. So I'm only gonna roll one for this one, so that I can do the other 2. And 25 is a little shopping. Alright, so 25, and that's for our Black Friday. So we are going to grab that. And that one currently has 45, and we're adding 25. And I think that we're just gonna roll it once so that we can do our other savings challenges. We still have a lot of time for Black Friday, so no rush here. So I have 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. So we have $70. That in here. Then we're gonna put that over, and we are going to do the 80 envelope challenge. Hopefully, can I do it? I might be able to only do this one, depending. So I'm gonna clear these out. Well, I don't have to clear all of them. I could have kept, okay, I can keep the 20, the 30 I can't keep. I'm gonna do 5, and then 10. I don't have a lot of money, guys, so I'm gonna do another 5 and maybe another 10. So those will be more likely to be rolled. Watch me get to 20. Okay, so I got 5. So we are going to do 5, and we're getting a 5 envelope. So if I'm not mistaken, the flowers were 5. So let's see if I have any of those flower ones. So I have one of the flower ones, and I'm going to color that one 5. Now the question is, should I do them all the same color or change the color up? I'm just going to stick to the same color. So we have our 5. We're gonna fold that and put that in here. So for that fun, we should have, did we do 3 there? Yeah. Next up, we have our 100 envelope savings challenge. And for our 100 envelopes saving challenge, what I do is whatever money I have left over, that's the one I fill. So I currently have $15. I did want to put aside $5 for my daughter's mini savings challenge, so then I have only 10 that I can put towards this, and luckily 10 is empty, so I'm just going to color that in. And what I plan on doing is, if let's say in the future that color is colored in, then I'm just going to not do this one and roll it over until next time. Or decide to go under and over and then just save whatever's left over for the next month's period. I guess we'll see when we cross that bridge. I'm to pay, so I'm going to grab a little mini envelope and I'm going to put in the $10 that were from the $100 envelope challenge. So I should have, according to this, I should have $121. So I have 100 here, and then this should be $11. So 121. Alright, and we're back, and we're here with my little one. She is doing her mini savings challenge, and she has her $5. So here's your $5. Here's your $5. Can you put it in your little bin box? So this is the little box that we're using for her. So now, how much money did we put in here?
We put 5 in here.
5 in here. So can you write 5 there for me? Here, you want to use a pen?
Yeah.
Yeah, use a pen and write 5 in the middle like you did last time. Alright, perfect. And now you can color it in. So she's coloring in her mini savings challenge, and this is from Veronica, 40 Plus Life.
Really? Okay.
Yeah. So she's coloring that in.
Coins? We forgot the coins!
Alright, so now she's going to put in my coins for me. So she enjoys putting in. So we have currently, okay, $23.35 now. So that sums up our cash stuffing for the month of February. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you're new around here, I would love for you to become a subscriber. If you are returning and coming back, thank you so much for watching our videos. And I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
Bye. I still have